Happy Wednesday, everybody. Happy WOW Wednesday, everybody. Guys, if you haven't noticed, the past few Wednesdays, I have been posting WOW Wednesdays, Women on Wednesdays, and women with their Volkswagens, their stories, their history, family stuff, bought new in 74, and 63, and 65, and they got all these histories with cars. Why are we talking about women on Wednesdays? Well, because, let's face it, guys, 85% of my viewers on my channel are men. And I think most in the hobby are men. So I just thought it would be something different, something really cool to showcase, and it's been resonating really well across my social platforms. This week we've got something really cool. A follower of mine, Chris Mitchell, took his daughter in his 63 Rsgtop Beetle. She was probably around 16 or 17 years old at the time when he filmed this, and he's teaching her how to drive stick in a vintage dub. Guys, I think driving stick is probably a dying art, and most kids today just don't want to drive stick. And it's a shame, because I think if any kid, if they want to get into a classic car, or they even want to drive on the road and get their license, how cool is it and interesting, and for them to learn how to drive stick, something manual, feel the car, you know, learn how to use the pedals. And why not learn on a vintage Volkswagen? That's where you got to learn. So they're the ones that are going to keep this dream alive and keep this hobby going. So I thought it was very interesting. He grabbed some footage and sent it over to me, and I'm here to showcase Chris and his daughter Ellery. I think hopefully I pronounced that right. And she's shifting in a 63 Rsgtop Beetle. How cool. Take a look.
Yes. So if you can do that part of it, you can do this, because that's the hardest part. So you have to understand that point. Just as it starts to engage is where you start to, need to give it some gas. Mm-hmm. Okay? All right, so now go forward like we've been doing. Clutch all the way in. Okay. That was your best start so far, see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, and you're gonna be ready to go right from first to second. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
You want to pull over?
No, I think you're doing fine. Why don't you just drive it? You can just.
Oh no.
You can do the last stop sign, and then you can just drive to the end of the road, and then I'll take over and drive us back home. But that was pretty good.
Yay!
This will be going downhill, so this one won't be as hard. So as we get up to it, get a little closer. Okay, brake. Okay, clutch. Stay on the brake. Neutral.
Oh.
Neutral. Off the clutch. Okay, that's fine.
We're just going straight, or are we turning?
No, we're going straight, because this will take us back to the main road. Okay. Okay. Ready? That wasn't bad. Second. Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah. It's not gonna roll anymore. Okay. Okay. A little bit better. Okay, now right into second.
Woohoo!
That was pretty good. That was good. And that was good. Okay, why don't you stop right by this green barrel here, and then we'll do the same thing. So brake, clutch, off the clutch. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's a little. Okay.
That's fine. Go right to second. Quick. That's good. Okay, stop sign, so same deal. Okay, you ready? First, yeah. That was better. Second, quick. Oh, that was really good.
Yeah!
That was better than, yeah, good job. You're going a little bit fast. Wait, 20 here.
Is it 30?
No.